How to change audio file type on Android. This tutorial shows you how to convert audio files to different formats using an online converter on your Android device. First, open your web browser like Chrome on your Android device. Search for Online Audio Converter in the search bar. Look for a reliable converter like online-convert.com or convertio.com. Now, tap on one of these websites to open it. You'll see the audio converter interface on your screen. Tap on Choose Files or Select Audio to upload your audio file. Navigate to your Downloads, Music folder, or wherever your audio file is saved. Tap on the audio file you want to convert. The file will be uploaded to the converter. Moving forward, you'll see output format options displayed below. Look for a drop-down menu that says Convert to or Output Format. Tap on it to see all available audio formats. Select your desired format like MP3, WAV, ACC, M4A, or FLAC. Afterwards, you can adjust quality settings like bitrate if needed. Once you've selected the format, tap on Convert or Start Conversion. Wait for the conversion process to complete. This usually takes a few seconds to a minute depending on file size. Once done, a download link or button will appear. Tap Download to save the converted audio file to your device. The file will be saved to your Downloads folder. Open your Files app or Downloads to find the converted audio file. Your audio file is now in the new format you selected. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you change audio file type on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.